Hi everyone, it's just me today. I'm going to make one of these. Pretty basic. It's a disc of a bisque disc of clay, and it's a kiln shelf. I do glass fusing on another channel, and I'll leave a link in the description. And in there, I traditionally use larger kilns, but I am starting to try a microwave kiln and come across one little issue, and I think I can fix it with this kiln shelf. Now, it's not what you're used to as far as kiln shelves are concerned, but I think it's going to work just fine with my glass work. But anyway, in this video, first really basic video, I'm just going to show you what I did to make that and talk about a couple of little problems I had and how to fix them. So hope you enjoyed this. Let's get into it. Okay, what I'm going to do here is make a circle, which will be my kiln shelf. I'm going to do that by rolling this piece of clay out. I think it's about the right consistency. I've been playing around with it a little bit. I'll roll it out, I'll cut it out, and then I'll put it aside until it goes to leather hard, and then I'll finally finish it off before we let it go bone dry to then bisque it in the kiln. Right, now this is another trick I've seen in a video to cut this out. So I just cut it out like that. It's going to stick in here, and I've got to try and get it out of the cutter, is to do this. So again, I'll leave these now to go bone dry before we bisque them. Now, I'm not absolutely sure what's happened here and went to pick this up. It just broke, as simple as that. Whether there was some flaw in it or what, I don't know. So that one's gone. We're left with one here. And this one still feels damp. Now, that's been there a few days. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this sit out for a few days and let it go bone dry, at least as bone dry as I think it can get. All right, so I think this is bone dry now. What I'm going to do is I am going to, I think they call it candling. I'm going to candle that in my electric kiln. You could obviously do it in a something like a toaster oven with a temperature gauge. I'm just going to take it up to 80 degrees, hold it there for about 30 minutes. I'm going to do it with the broken pieces as well. And then I'm going to put them in the microwave and see if we can bisque them. And if that works, then I'll do that one. If they blow up, then I'm not going to do that one. I'm probably going to dry it a bit more. Well, that worked, as you can tell by that little ringing noise, that they are bisqued. So now, I just did notice that there is a curve on that. So now I'm going to take that other piece and I'm going to actually turn it upside down, and we'll go through the same process. I'm pretty confident that is bisque because, no, hang on, it's got a sort of a ring to it. So I'm pretty sure that's bisque. It's survived. So the next thing I'm going to do with that is I'm going to test it with some glass and with a cabochon basically. But that video will be over on my other channel. Once I've done that video, I'll put a link in the description to it. But if you want to go and have a look at the other channel, just do a search on Jeff Pritchard, that's Jeff with a J, on YouTube, and you should find the channel. So until the next time, I'll say bye for now.